Welcome to BreitWerks. Well, my curiosity got the best of me. We have a bunch of old CIS injectors, and I was like, there has to be a way to rebuild these things. Well, technically, no, there's not. So what I did was I cut one open just to see what's there. So at the very front, you see the little pintle. So I ground off the edge, and here is the little pintle. There's a spring. Then after that, you have an open chamber that had what looks like a little plastic filter. Then after the open chamber, you get down to a tiny little hole. That's it. So this is a solid. All through here is solid, right up to about here, and then it opens up, and that's where the plastic filter lives. So you can see through the hole there. So yeah, no way to get that filter out. They've got these four little, let's see if we can get this thing to zoom in properly. But there's got this little tiny band around here, and then it's crimped over from the end. So that crimp must be open, and then they load all of this stuff in, including the pintle, and then they crimp that guy down. So unless there was a fancy way to uncrimp that and be able to slide everything out, which I don't think there is, but if we ever find one, that would be cool. So there you have it, the anatomy of a CIS injector. So it's a small hole coming down about halfway, and then it opens up into this bigger chamber, and inside that chamber is a plastic filter, and then at the very end is the pintle loaded on a spring. So kind of neat to dissect one. I don't know why over the years I haven't done this before, but I thought it was cool. So all the Porsche nerds out there that are running CIS systems that are complaining about having to buy new injectors, why can't you just clean the old ones? You can't. You'll never get that screen clean. So anyway, check us out, breitwerks.com. Thanks for watching.